I'm Jared Deanda, and we're here talking about batteries. Many different options when it comes to Harley-Davidson power, but I'm going to walk you through either the Lithium LiFe battery or the OEM AGM battery. The major difference is the Lithium LiFe battery utilizes a lithium iron phosphate chemistry versus the OE AGM battery uses absorbent glass mat technology. Now, the Lithium LiFe batteries are a drop-in replacement for OEM AGM batteries with no fit adapter or foam blocks required, which is great. Drop it in, you're ready to ride. Now let's talk about depth of discharge. What is that? Well, modern lithium batteries have a much larger depth of discharge versus an AGM battery. So you can discharge almost the entire charge without causing the unit any harm. Plus, the built-in battery management system is designed to help minimize deep discharge. Lifespan, the life of a battery. Well, the Lithium LiFe batteries can offer up to twice the lifespan of an AGM OEM battery when properly stored and, of course, maintained. Let's talk about weight. Now, the Harley-Davidson Lithium LiFe batteries drop into the OE battery cradle with no need for adapters, which is great. And the big thing here is all while weighing up to 70% less than the AGM battery. You can definitely tell a difference. This is because a Lithium LiFe battery does not feature any liquid acid. Let's talk about charge time. Now, the high energy efficient Lithium LiFe batteries can be quicker to charge than AGM batteries because of fewer electrical losses. A fully discharged 4 amp Lithium LiFe battery can be recharged in 48 minutes with a 5 amp dual mode battery charger and an 8 amp in 96 minutes. Now, what's really cool about the Harley-Davidson Lithium LiFe batteries, they feature an internal battery management system that automatically detects undercharging for more reliable starting performance. When disconnected from the motorcycle, a Lithium LiFe battery will maintain its charge for up to 12 months without maintenance. A lithium battery may not be a better choice than an AGM battery if the motorcycle is equipped with certain accessories that use electric power from the battery directly or has been heavily modified from the stock configuration. Be sure to ask your local Harley-Davidson dealer if a Lithium LiFe battery is right for your application. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.